Good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing here in Riverview, Florida. We got a pretty big job on the schedule for today. We have a house, pool deck, driveway, sidewalk, pretty big area. It's a house that they're getting ready to put on the market, so we're doing a pre-listing cleaning on it. At any rate, it's going to be another hot one today. Real quick, if you're liking these videos, if you could please subscribe to the channel, like and comment. You can share the videos as well, but it really helps us. It helps our algorithm and gets more people to find our videos. So we really appreciate it. All right, everybody, here we are at the job site. Let's take a walk around. I'll show you what we got cleaning today. We got this big driveway here. Sidewalk goes all the way down around the corner here, and then up to where our hose is at that point. Got driveway, turnaround. You see how bad this actually looks. And then front entrance way. Got all these pavers along here. I'm gonna wash the house. And then back along the back. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I think we might be able to get this with downstreaming, so we'll see how that goes. All right, and then down along the side here, you see some black underneath of the eaves. Along the back of the house, down along the bottom here especially. Got this area here. Pool deck's pretty bad. Pool cage. I don't know if you can see it or not, but algae up along the side of the rails. And then down here, got this stick here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a hole in the screen. When that fell, it came right through the screen. But, okay. And the pool deck wraps around here. You can probably see all the green that's on this screen. And then the pool deck wraps around this side. We'll get all this cleaned up. And that's about it. Got a lot of spider webs up there as well. Anyway, so that's our project for this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, we're all done. Let's go ahead and walk through and see how she turned out. Oh yeah. Sidewalk. We ended up doing all the way down to that corner because the rest of it is just a cul-de-sac, but it kind of looks funny if I didn't stop there. So anyway, so here's the driveway. Driveway came out beautiful. You remember it was all real dark. Front doors, front porchway. Okay, here's the back area. It all turned out nice. Oh yeah, big difference. Big difference with these pavers. Yep. Yeah, big difference. Like I said, she's getting ready to put the house on the market, so you know, sometimes just a little bit of cleaning like this, just pre-listing clean up, makes a big difference in what you should be able to get for the house and how quick it will sell. So anyway, here's our job for today, and took us quite some time. There was a lot of square footage to clean here, but anyway, we'll see you at the next job site.